Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Filmora subscription. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we're just going to simply follow this Wondershare article, which is the company creating Filmora. And all you will be needing to do is to simply to go to Wondershare account center, and then you will find your planning products, your managed subscription, and basically you will be able to simply cancel your subscription. So now let's just follow these steps. And simply you will go to your Filmora website where you have logged in, and basically by clicking on your profile picture, you will find your account center. By clicking on Account Center, it will take us to the Wondershare Account Center, and it's exactly as this one says. Now we will need just to search for Planet Products. So here we have Planet Products, and now we can manage our products and also we can manage our subscription. So now we choose Manage Subscription, and from here I have, in my case, no valid renewal or no subscription available. And simply you will be needing just to select your plan that you want to manage. So basically here you will have your plan. You will click on it, or you will click on manage, that you will find as a button, and then you will have this choice of cancel subscription. By clicking on cancel subscription, another message would be showing, or a pop-up uh, saying to choose the reason for cancellation. You will need just to select anyone. You can choose other if you don't like to state the option or whatever. You click on continue, and then you'll follow on this screen instruction to complete your cancellation. So basically, those were the simple steps that you can follow to cancel your subscription. Thank you for watching and see you next time.